Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 540 named single element in a sorted array. In this problem, we are given a sorted array consisting of only integers where every element appears exactly 2 times except for one element which appears exactly 1 times. Now we have to return the single element that appears only 1 time. Now we must write the algorithm which runs in order of log n time and order of 1 space complexity. Suppose in the first example, we can see that all of the element except 2 appears 2 times. So we have to return 2. Now, in the second example, we can see that all of the element except 10 appears 2 times. So here we have to return 10. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Okay, we have take 2 examples. Now at first, we will try to solve this problem by using the binary search algorithm. Here, let's see how the binary search algorithm works. But before jumping into the binary search, let's try to understand some of the intuition. Here, as all of the elements appears 2 times except for 1 element and the array is sorted, so we can say that all of the even index elements, suppose it is the even index element, because the indexing starts from 0 and the index number is 2 here. So we can say that for all even index element, the next element is equal to the previous one. It is the 1 intuition. And we can similarly say that for all of the odd index elements, suppose for this one, for all of the odd index element, the previous element is equal to the odd index element. So this is the first intuition. Now, how can we apply the binary search? Here, at first, try to take 2 pointers. The left is pointing to the first element. The right pointer is pointing to the last element. Now, let's calculate the mid. So here, the mid value will be left plus right minus left divided by 2. Now, suppose this mid value is the even number. So what is the advantage? Suppose the mid value is indicating this element 3, which is the even index. Here the index number is 4. Okay. Now we have to check whether the mid value and its next value is equal or not. Here the mid value 3 and its next value 3 is equal. So we can say that the single element obviously stand in the right side of the array of this mid value. Because if both of them are equal, that means if mid value and mid plus 1 value is equal, all of the left-sided value appears in the pair. So this is the first intuition. If the mid value and mid plus 1 value is equal, the single element appears in the right side. Okay, this is one intuition. Now again, let's try to understand the second intuition. Suppose it is the left value and it is the right value. And here, the mid value, suppose which is 3, because we always consider even index for the mid value. So here, the mid value is 3 because the index number is 4. Okay, so far so good. Now again, we will check whether the mid value and its next value is equal or not. Here, the mid value is 3 and its next value is 4, which is not equal. That means we can say that the single element must be in the left side of the array. So it is the another intuition. So in short, we can say that we always calculate the mid value in the even index, and if the mid value and its next value is equal, that means the single element appears at the right side of the array. Otherwise, if the mid value and its next value is not equal, the single element appears into the left side of the array. And repetitively, we will apply this algorithm and find the single element. And the overall time complexity of this algorithm is big O of n log n because of the binary search property. And overall space complexity of this problem is big O of 1. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. Here we are given a function named single non-duplicate, which has a vector as a parameter, which is the input array. Now we are taking 2 pointers, left and right. Now we are running a binary search algorithm while left is always less than right. Now we are calculating the mid value, and if the mid value is odd, we are making it even. Now we have to check whether the mid value is not equal to the mid plus 1 value or not. If they are not equal, that means we have to look after the single element into the left side. So we have to shift the mid pointer to the right. Otherwise, we have to look after the single element into the right side. That means we have to shift the left pointer to mid plus 2. Finally, we have to return the left pointer element, which is the single element. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.